In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate your way through customizing task statuses within your workflow settings. We'll be walking through this process step by step to ensure everything is crystal clear and easy to follow, so stay tuned and let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to your settings. This is where all the magic begins. Once you're in the settings menu, look for the section labeled Workflows. It's crucial to start here because workflows form the backbone of your productivity system, organizing your tasks in a way that best fits your needs. Now, when you click on workflows, you'll notice a series of options available. Our focus today, though, is on customizing task statuses. Task statuses are essentially labels that help you track the progress of your tasks as they move through your workflow. Being able to customize these statuses means you can tailor this part of your workflow to match your specific way of working, allowing you to stay on top of your tasks effectively. Begin by reviewing the default task statuses. Most systems usually come with a standard set like to do, in progress, and done. However, to truly make this workflow yours, you'll want to tweak these to reflect the nuances of your projects. Think about the stages your tasks typically go through and which additional categories might help you keep everything organized. To customize, you usually have the option to rename existing statuses. This is a great place to start if the default options are close to what you need, but just need a minor tweak for clarity or personal preference. You might want to change in progress to working on it or pending to waiting for review. Remember, the goal is to make these statuses as intuitive and helpful as possible. In addition to renaming, you can also add new statuses. This comes in handy if your workflow involves unique stages that aren't covered by existing options. Perhaps you need a waiting for approval or on hold status. To do this, look for an option to add a new status. Once added, just type the name that best describes that part of your workflow. And finally, you can remove any statuses that aren't useful in your workflow. Simplifying your task board by eliminating unnecessary labels can really help you focus on what's important. Just select the status and choose the remove or delete option to clean up your list. That's it for customizing task statuses in your workflow settings. By tailoring these elements to fit your process, you give yourself a powerful tool to manage tasks with enhanced clarity and efficiency. Remember, a well-organized task management system is key to staying productive and meeting your goals. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.